What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is your first time here. I'm Deanna, and I'm going to be installing this wig that I have on my head today in this video. This hair I got from BeautyForever Hair. This is a 24-inch highlight wig. It's either a balayage. I think it's a, I don't know how to pronounce it, like a balayage, one of those highlight wigs. It's a highlight wig. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below, but it's a honey blonde balayage highlight. It's a honey blonde highlight wig, so it's like mostly like honey blonde or like brownish, and then it has like pops of like blonde, like super blonde highlights. The color on camera is kind of pretty accurate to what it looks like in person, but it's like super pretty. I really love like the placement of the highlights. It's really, really nice. So if you want to see how I install this wig and you want more information about this hair, you got to keep on watching. All right, so as I've mentioned, this is from BeautyForever Hair. The information is below. In the pack, they sent me a wig cap, this, I think it's like a wig band holder thing. Yeah. And then they sent some lashes and this really cute, it's a cross necklace. I don't know if you can see it. I didn't really zoom up on it. But this is what the wig looks like. It's a really cute highlight wig. Like I said, it's 24 inches. The construction of the wig is really good. It has this lace here. I actually didn't bleach the lace this time. It has the 2 clips on the sides, and it comes with an elastic band. So I love that because it keeps your wig extra secure. Yeah, and then this is just an up-close view of the lace. Again, I didn't bleach it only because I ran out of bleach, but it still worked out pretty good. So as you can see, I already have the wig cap installed on my head, so I'm going to skip that part. Now I'm just putting the wig on my head, and I'm going to customize the lace just so it fits my particular head shape. That just means I'm cutting off the ear tabs to make sure it fits snug on my head. So like I mentioned earlier, I didn't bleach these knots, partly because the hair is already blonde, so it really wasn't necessary. But I'm just going to use some lace tint here to color the inside of the lace to make it blend a little bit better. And then I'm also going to put some makeup on my wig cap just to have everything be like the same complexion of my skin or like close to it. So for this install, I'm using, of course, my wig dealer glue. I'll try and link it below because I really like this glue, but I'm just going and putting a layer, of course, first across my forehead. I'm starting there because it's easier. As you can see, like my hair is sticking out on the sides because my hairline is weird, but I wouldn't dare pull a wig down like that far on the sides, so that's why it's sticking out. But yeah, so I'm gonna go through and put this layer on first. I wound up doing 2 layers total, but I didn't show like myself applying both of them here. Now I'm going to go through with my comb and just melt the lace into the glue, and I'm going to follow up with my hot comb. I just feel like it helps seal it in place. Like, it may or may not work, honestly. It's just for my peace of mind. And then after that, I'm going to take the spray here, this black spray. The name of it just slipped my mind, sorry. But I'm going to spray my hairline just to give it some extra security, and then I'm going to wrap it. after letting that sit for a little while, now it's time to go ahead and cut my lace. I'm using a super sharp, this is actually a face shaver, like a face blade, you know, to like to cut the fine hairs on your face, but it works really well for lace. So I'm using that. And then after I'm done cutting off the lace, I'm going to go through and add another layer of the black spray. I think it's like, it's not Bold Hold. God, I don't know why I forgot the name of the spray. I'll try and link it below. But I'm gonna add another layer of that, one to kind of like cover up any like imperfections in the lace, and then help it stick as well, because I feel like when I cut the lace, I kind of cut off some like of the adhesive too. So I just want to make sure it's really stuck to my head. So I decided that I want to do a side part. So now I'm just going through with my Got to Be Free spray and my wax stick, and I'm just melting down the top. As you know, these wigs come pretty lumpy at the top, and the part doesn't sit right, so you gotta manually put that part in there, y'all. So that's just what I'm doing. Now it's time for my edges. So of course I'm going to put baby hairs where my natural hair is, wherever my natural hair shows, to cover it up. So as you can see, I'm putting some like right here on the side, because I refuse to cut that little piece. And let me tell you why. Because when I wear my natural hair, having like that little patch of baby hair on each side is actually really cute when I do my edges with my real hair. So I wouldn't cut off my real hair for no wig edges, like, because it just don't make sense to me. I'm sorry. I had to throw that out there. Anyways, now I'm just going through and cutting off the edges, and I'm going to curl them with my super small little curling iron thing, and I'm going to lay them down with gel. I'm using Eco Style gel, the black kind. This has been my new favorite thing. I don't use foam for my wigs anymore, not my edges. And also like the Eco Style gel, like when it dries hard. So I feel like it makes like my edges like that much more secure, like the lace, like that much more secure. Okay, and while I let my edges sit and marinate in place, I'm going to take my curling iron and I'm just going to curl this hair, because honestly, it's quicker. I don't know, curling hair to me is faster than flat ironing it, you know. And then it looks cuter too, especially like with highlights in a wig like this. I feel like the highlights pop more with curls as opposed to being straight. It would have looked cute either way, but I'm curling it. And sorry, the curling iron that I'm using, of course, is this Hot Tools curling iron. Got it from Marshalls and or TJ Maxx. I actually saw one similar in Target like last week. So check out Target. Your local Target may have one as well. It wasn't the same color, but it was the same brand. And after that, we are pretty much done with this style. I'm just going to finger comb through these curls, take this little headband off, and I'm going to cut just a couple of layers in it. But first, I'm going to use my hot comb to just like smooth out any imperfections at the top and add that little bump in the front. And then I'm going to take my scissors and add some layers to give it a little more volume because it was looking kind of flat to me on the sides. But besides that, this install is done. And this is the finished look. I hope you like my vocals. No, this is the finished look. It's so cute. I love it. I love this color. I love these highlights. I love these body waves. It is giving everything I need it to give. This is BeautyForever Hair, so you know it's top tier, high quality. I don't even have to go into all of that. No tangling, no shedding, none of that. It's just the standard and the norm with this hair. This hair is very soft and it's very fine, but it looks thick and full. I'm not sure of the density off the top of my head, but it's in the description box below. So go on and check it out. I am feeling like a Barbie, especially with this pink and this blonde. I am a black Barbie. I'm just playing. But anyways, yeah, I don't have any more to say about this hair. I love it so much. Go check it out. Anyways, you guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.